Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 floor vacuum cleaner. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Houseline 2500W Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Houseline. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 1 to 2L. Filter type, HEPA. Bag or bagless, bagless. Special suction nozzle, acrid killing brush. Dust storage type, dust box, dust bucket. Installation, handspike, handheld. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 1800 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping in suction type. Certification, RoHS, CE. Item number 4 is Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.6 to 1L. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. LCD, no. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, wireless. Remote control, yes. Installation, robot. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, 28 watts. Function, wet and dry. Map save, save 5 PCS. Dustbin, 600 milliliters. Size, 330 by 330 by 96 millimeters. As the item number 3 we've selected, Robot Vacuum Cleaner ABIR R30. Specifications. Brand name, ABIR. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, with bag. Cord length, wireless. Installation, robot. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, 32 watts. Dust bag, 3L. Navigation, dual laser plus slam. Battery, 3200 mAh lithium. Size, 330 by 330 by 96 millimeters. Weight, 6 to 10 kilograms. Item number 2 is ABIR VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, ABIR. Number of operating modes, 1 to 2. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.6 to 1L. Filter type, cyclone. Battery life, 40 minutes. LCD, yes. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, wireless. Dust storage type, dust cup. Installation, vertical, handheld. Voltage, 110 to 240 volts. Power, 500 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping in suction type. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Robot Vacuum Cleaner ABIR X8. Specifications. Brand name, ABIR. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.6 to 1L. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Cord length, wireless. Remote control, yes. Special suction nozzle, efficient brush. Dust storage type, dust box, dust bucket. Installation, robot. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, 32 watts. Function, wet and dry. Cleaning area, about 300. Dustbin, 600 milliliters. Water tank, 360 milliliters. Voice control, support Alexa, Google Home, Yandex, etc. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.